So welcome back guys. My name is Amlan and in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign, we go about looking at how we can create polls in WhatsApp. Now, poll is something wherein you take audience feedback on a certain question with multiple choice responses. Now, this is pretty popular thing which is available on different platforms, but on WhatsApp, like I think this is a new feature. And for this, just update WhatsApp so that you will be able to see this. And now let's look at how this can be done. This can be done for both groups as well as individual chats. You simply need to hit towards the group or the individual chat. Here inside the message box, you have this attachment picker. So like you tap on the picker and you will see that you have an option called as all. So you click on poll and then like you write here, say what's the capital of India or something like that. And then basically these are the poll options. So I will write Delhi, then Mumbai, and as soon as you write, you can see things are getting added. You can leave it here, but you can also keep adding. So Kolkata, stuff like this. So you can add, you can either keep writing or you can stop. Once you think it's enough, you tap on send, and there you see the poll has been created. Now as soon as people like start selecting options, you can see it already shows that one response has been submitted for Delhi, and you can use the view votes to check like what has been the overall response to your poll. Now this can be very useful in case you are trying to fetch audience response to a certain open-ended query, so you can know like what people are thinking about like a certain issue. So you can create polls like this. And like I said, it's not just this, you can also go ahead and do this for individual chats. So like if I was to do it say for an individual chat, what I would be doing is heading towards the individual chat and again using the picker, and then again heading towards the poll, and then again like putting in the same thing, the poll query and then the poll options, Mumbai, Delhi. And like I said, if you don't want to add further, you can just keep it there, and you can if you are sending it to an individual chat, obviously you are simply asking the person to put in his response. So like as soon as the person puts in his response, you can go ahead and check like what the response is. So that's all there is to like creating of polls in WhatsApp. I think it's a pretty neat feature. Go ahead and use it in case you are trying to seek audience query on a certain thing you have in mind, a certain poll you have in mind. So if you like this tutorial, consider subscribing, and also do let us know in the comment section how you find this tutorial. Please do share this with your friends. Share this on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and all those wonderful social media options. And please don't forget to click on the bell icon for getting notifications of our work. And that should be all from my side. Until next time, it's me, Amlan, signing off.